how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Follow these steps to remove Temu minimum spend limit. First, launch your Temu app and make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land on the home page. Now navigate to the U page given at the bottom middle. At the top right, you're going to find two icons. Click on this headset shaped icon and you'll be directed to the support page. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option Contact Us. Now here you can see this message box type in your issue. So I can type in "Hello Temu support, please remove my spend limit" and then send it. After that, the Temu support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation, and with that, Temu customer service will consider the request and remove the spend limit on your account. So that's basically how you can remove Temu minimum spend limit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.